Number 1. 1962 Buick Special 4-door. Priced at $600, this 1962 Buick Special is a budget-friendly project car listed in Richmond, Kentucky. With 54,789 miles on the odometer, the car has been in storage for some time and is currently not running. It will need significant work before it can be driven, but the engine is not seized. The car comes with a clear title and will need to be towed. This off-white classic has potential for restoration, but it's being sold as is. Number 2. 1969 Buick Electra 225. Listed at $1,500 in Checotah, Oklahoma, this 1969 Buick Electra 225 is a big project car with 80,000 miles. The car hasn't been on the road since the 1980s and has some rust, particularly around the trunk lid and wiper cowl. The motor is gummed up and locked, but the car has many power options and original parts. The frame and floorboards are solid, making it a viable candidate for restoration or a parts car. Number 3. 1963 Plymouth Valiant. This 1963 Plymouth Valiant is listed at $2,500 in Los Angeles, California. With 24,000 miles, this gold classic is described as a nice car that runs and drives great with no leaks or overheating issues. It has current tags through November 2024, making it a ready-to-enjoy piece of American muscle car history. Number 4. 1967 Dodge Coronet. Priced at $2,000 and listed in Louisville, Kentucky, this 1967 Dodge Coronet 440 model is a solid project or parts car. It features a 273 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. The car has good rails, trunk floor, fenders, hood and trunk lid, but it has no title. It has been sitting for a few years and was last started with starting fluid. Number 5. 1953 Ford Victoria. Listed at $2,200 in Cedar, Minnesota, this 1953 Ford Victoria is a hardtop with the last year of the flathead V8 engine. The car has a manual transmission with overdrive and has been driven 100,000 miles. Although the engine turns over, it does not currently run. The car is complete but is a project and comes with a clear Minnesota title. Number 6. 1967 Lincoln Continental Sedan 4-door. For $500, this 1967 Lincoln Continental Sedan is being sold for parts in Harvard, Illinois. The car, known as a 67 Suicide Lincoln, has 100,000 miles and no motor. Parts available include chrome, bumpers, windows, lights, and interior pieces. The seller prefers local pickup for parts and also has parts from a 1968 model available. Number 7. 1951 Dodge Coronet. This 1951 Dodge Coronet, listed at $2,000 in Oregon, Ohio, runs and drives with a flathead straight-six engine and a gyromatic transmission. The car has decent tires and original rims but is being sold because the owner no longer wants it. It's a decent driver or could be a candidate for restoration. Number 8, 1966 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe, two-door. Priced at $2,000 and listed in Cleves, Ohio, this 1966 Ford Thunderbird is a project car with a 390 rebuilt motor. The car was running a few weeks ago but now won't start. It has extra parts, nice rims and tires, and no roof. It was cut off. The car needs finishing work and will need to be trailered. Number 9, 1965 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab. This 1965 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab truck is listed at $2,500 in Cedartown, Georgia. It has 20,000 miles and features a 6-cylinder motor with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck does not run and is being sold as is with a title. Number 10, 1968 Cadillac DeVille. Listed at $2,500 in McDonough, Georgia, this 1968 Cadillac DeVille 4-door features a 472 engine that is said to run but is missing the distributor and carburetor. The car's interior is rough, and it has minor rust around the rear window and bottom of the front fenders. Despite these issues, the car is solid for its age and condition and comes with a title. '65 Chevrolet Corvair. This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair is listed at $1,600 in Marietta, Georgia. The car has 80,763 miles and is in fair condition. It features a 6-cylinder engine with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor and an oil leak that needs repair. The body needs minor repairs and all electrical components are functioning. The car comes with new rubber seals and an Edelbrock electric fuel pump. However, it has no title or registration, making it a project car.